Sprinkle this around your tomatoes, and they'll reward you with more flowers and fruit than you've ever seen. If you've noticed yellowing leaves on your tomato plants, it's a sign that they urgently need a boost. Here are 2 simple and natural remedies that can help save your harvest. The first ingredient is something you probably throw away every day: used coffee grounds. They are a free and fantastic source of nitrogen, which tomatoes need to develop strong, leafy growth. Coffee grounds also slightly acidify the soil, which tomatoes love, and improve the soil structure around the roots. Simply spread dried coffee grounds around your tomato plants and gently mix them into the top layer of soil. The second ingredient is salt, more specifically, Epsom salt, also known as magnesium sulfate. It is one of the most popular remedies when tomato leaves turn yellow between the veins. Magnesium quickly supports photosynthesis, strengthens the root system, and encourages vigorous flowering. However, don't just throw handfuls of it around the plants. For tomatoes, it's best to prepare a quick foliar spray. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in about 4 cups of water. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and spray the leaves in the evening. The plant can absorb the magnesium within just a few hours. This is why Epsom salt is so commonly used to treat yellow leaves and promote abundant flowering. The spray works almost immediately because the plant absorbs magnesium directly through the leaves, bypassing stressed or poorly functioning roots. Apply the spray every 7 days for 3 weeks, and your tomato plants should begin to recover. Make sure to spray both the upper and lower sides of the leaves. The undersides contain the highest concentration of stomata, allowing the plant to absorb magnesium even more efficiently. This fertilizer made my tomatoes start growing almost instantly. It works like rocket fuel for plant growth. This fertilizer will help protect your seedlings from late spring cold snaps and unexpected frost. Prepare 2 plastic bottles cut in half. Pour about 1 quart of water into 1 bottle and add water to the second bottle as well. The first ingredient is milk, which is rich in calcium, supports plant development, and helps improve fruit production. Measure out about half a cup of milk and pour it into 1 bottle. Then repeat the same step by adding another half cup of milk to the second bottle. The next ingredient is iodine, which improves plant resistance and supports healthy growth, especially during harsh weather conditions. Add a few drops of iodine to the water in 1 bottle and mix thoroughly. Repeat the same process with the second bottle by adding a few drops of iodine. Now, 1 bottle is ready to use, and you can immediately water your seedlings with it. The fertilizer will go straight to the roots, supporting strong and healthy growth. Next, prepare a spray bottle, pour the mixture into it, close it, and spray the plants. This mixture will protect the leaves, support their development, and improve the overall condition of the plants. Regular use of this fertilizer will ensure healthy growth and abundant harvests. This fertilizer is also excellent protection against late spring frost, which can destroy young plants. Thanks to this, your seedlings will survive unfavorable weather conditions and continue growing at full strength. This homemade fertilizer is a real boost for tomatoes, but that's not all. It also works great for cucumbers and can turn just a few plants into a true harvest machine. When used regularly, it can help you harvest buckets of tasty, large, ripe vegetables. Pour about 14 fluid ounces of water into a large container. The next ingredient is milk. Measure about 3.5 fluid ounces and add it to the water. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Yeast is valued for supporting beneficial microorganisms in the soil and helping plants absorb nutrients more effectively. The next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of ground garlic. Garlic is often used in the garden because it can help reduce pest problems and support plant health. Another important ingredient is honey. Add a generous tablespoon. It provides energy for microorganisms and helps activate the entire mixture. Mix everything thoroughly and let it sit for about 1 hour. During this time, the ingredients will combine and begin to work. Now prepare a watering can. Pour in about half of the mixture and fill the rest with water. Use this solution to water tomatoes and cucumbers directly at the base of the plants. You can also store the remaining mixture in a bottle and use it later. Tomatoes are especially demanding during periods of rapid growth and at the beginning of flowering. That's when extra support can be most beneficial. Regular use of this mixture helps strengthen roots and stems, allowing plants to thrive and grow vigorously. Give this natural fertilizer directly to your seedlings in the soil, and the fruits won't rot. They'll stay large, firm, and healthy all season long. During cultivation, there is a crucial stage that determines whether the plant will produce healthy, firm fruit or develop problems. Experienced gardeners know how important calcium is for tomatoes because a deficiency often leads to issues with the fruit, which is why it's so important to provide it in a form the plant can easily absorb. Eggshells are an excellent natural source of calcium that supports firm fruit and healthy plant development. Take a grinder, add the eggshells, and grind them into a fine powder. The next step is to prepare a larger container. Pour in about 2 ounces of water, add the eggshell powder, and then mix in 1 tablespoon of vinegar. The vinegar helps transform the eggshells into a form that is easier for the plant to absorb. Leave it for 2 days to create a calcium solution. Then pour in about 2 cups of warm water and add 1 tablespoon of nettle, which strengthens plants, improves their resistance, and stimulates growth. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic, which works as a natural plant protectant. Mix everything thoroughly and then strain the solution. Prepare another container, pour in the mixture, and your powerful natural fertilizer is ready. Apply a small amount with a syringe directly into the soil. Regular use of this fertilizer will support healthy plant growth, and the fruits will become larger and firmer. This natural fertilizer not only improves the condition of the plants, but also makes them more resistant to harsh conditions. From this, you will make the strongest natural remedy for tomatoes. It will ensure your tomatoes are healthy and beautiful. Diseases will disappear immediately. If you want lush and juicy tomatoes, be sure to stay with me. We start by preparing our ingredients. Pour 100 milliliters of warm water and 100 milliliters of milk into a jug. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of garlic. This combination will help fight fungi and pests. The next step is to add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of ground cloves and cinnamon. These spices have antibacterial properties and boost the plant's immunity. To make the mixture even more effective, add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Finally, add a pinch of dried nettle, which acts as a natural fertilizer. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly, then strain the mixture through a sieve to remove larger pieces. Dilute the ready liquid with water. Now you can regularly spray your tomatoes every 10 days to protect them from diseases and pests. Remember to do this early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid burning the leaves from the sun. Try this natural mixture and see how your tomatoes grow healthy and strong.